At 10, local experts are weighing in on the President Trump's positive COVID-19 case.
That's right. And WGN's Kelly Davis spoke with a doctor at Northwestern to get her take on his diagnosis.
Video of a crowded Rose Garden event is under intense scrutiny. A little over a week ago, Republicans gathered together as President Trump officially nominated Amy Coney Barrett to the Supreme Court.
It felt like we were watching a video from a year ago, watching those events.
You don't see many masks, seating is set less than 6 feet apart, and there were a lot of hugs and handshakes. We've since learned at least 10 attendees have tested positive for COVID-19, including President Trump.
That's probably just, the tip of the iceberg of how many other people may also have contracted COVID from being exposed to President Trump.
Dr. Sadia Khan is an epidemiologist at Northwestern and has been following the president's diagnosis closely. But we've received such little information about his health, and she says that makes it difficult to assess how severe his case really is.
I think in addition to the transparency, it's really the back and forth that makes it even more challenging to trust the information and feel like we're really hearing the full story.
This evening, President Trump was discharged from Walter Reed National Military Medical Center. He told his followers the virus that hospitalized him for 72 hours was nothing to fear.
I think the president's own tweet suggests that he doesn't think it's serious, and either he doesn't care or he doesn't think that there is a real risk of transmitting the infection to those who are around him.
Doctors say COVID-19 is a prolonged illness, and the biggest concern is that there could still be a setback.
There may be a little bit of stability after several days for that first 5 to 7 days, and then potentially worsening oxygen requirement, especially if there is evidence of pneumonia.
So while it's great that the president is feeling well enough to go home and pose for a maskless photo op on the White House balcony, he still has a long road to a full recovery.
Oftentimes, people have residual symptoms up to 2 months after their diagnosis. And one of the key symptoms that can persist is not only fatigue, but a mental fog or slowing that's been described. And so I think that's really important thinking ahead.
Doctors say serial testing will likely be done at the White House over the next several days. That's because it can take up to 5 days after initial contact to detect the virus or rule out the spread altogether. I'm Kelly Davis for WGN News.
Okay, Kelly.